Hi friends, welcome to the WizBiz Talks of Rotary District 3141. Friends, Rotary Year 2021 is a vision year with District Governor 2021 Sunil Mehra at the helm of affairs, wherein many new initiatives have been introduced to create a difference in the community and also make Rotary seen. WizBiz Talks is a unique and hot from oven initiative. It's an initiative to support Rotarians to support Rotary. In WizBiz Talks, we speak to visionary Rotarians who, by virtue of their selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions, and their actions today will help Rotary to serve more and make a difference in the community. I am your host, Dr. Manish Motwani, a bariatric surgeon and also the Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 in Vision Year 2021. Friends, today I have a very special guest on this talk show, a very close friend, a close associate with whom we've worked a lot, enjoyed working a lot, and we've done so many training programs. Friends, a Rotarian with more than 20 years of experience in Rotary, a Rotarian from Rotary Club of Bombay Uptown. Yes, friends, he is none other than our very dear Rotarian Sunil Haribal. By classification, friends, he is a sales training consultant. Simple thinking and practical approach, compassionate and committed, preaches what he practices. This is in short about Sunil Haribal. Friends, he is our man Friday for all training events. Innovative with out-of-box thinking. He'll find out an answer to any problem, and once given a responsibility, will complete it with utmost finesse and sincerity. Friends, with these small words of introduction, I present before all of you my dear friend, Rotarian Sunil Haribal.
Thanks, Manish, and hi, everybody.
Thank you, Sunil. Taking out your precious time. And in today's date, your time is definitely precious because as much as I know of you, you are a trainer and currently you are taking training events almost 3 to 4 sessions a day. And this is a phenomenal job you're doing. After that, you are doing something for Rotary too. I sometimes fail to understand whether you are giving more time to Rotary or more time to your profession. But yes, I would definitely like to tell you one thing, that your commitment is been one of the hallmarks of any of the training events that has happened till now. You are one of the main reasons for success of each and every training event. Yes, it was DG Sunil who has found out that there is a person like Sunil Haribal. He is a person who, yes, respects all your ideas and views, but yes, you are also the one who has created those events along with Vinay Kulkarni to ensure that each and every district training event becomes better than the earlier one. So thank you, Sunil, one, for all what you have given to Rotary, and second, for coming to this show of ours. Thank you.
Just one clarification: our benchmark was not better than the earlier one. Our benchmark was to give the best.
Oh, this is great. So you always have something better to give than what anyone else suggests. Thank you so much, Sunil. So Sunil, who's also called as Haribal, because in our team where we sit down, we have, I think so, from September onwards, or August or September onwards, even before the COVID crisis came in, this Rotarian Sunil Haribal had put us onto the habit of Zoom from September onwards, almost 5 days a week from 9:30 to 12:30 in the night, Sunil. And this is the way we have trained, completed all the training events, all the preparations. Though I used to excuse myself so many times, but these committed people were always there. So again, thank you for your time too. Sunil, we know so much about you on your on the Rotary front, but there are certain more things that we want to know about you. We want to know something more about your family and you as a person. Can you please tell us something about it?
Well, basically, completely middle class person, born and brought up in Matunga, and worked for only one company. I started my career with Procter and Gamble when I was at the age of 19. I just finished my BSc exam, practical exam, and I got a job and I started selling on the road Vicks Vaporub. Right from those days, I've been selling, and since I did a good job, my bosses picked me up, and therefore I worked for. Then it was known as Richardson Hindustan Limited, and then from Richardson Hindustan Limited, it was taken over by Procter and Gamble. So for 23 years, I worked for the same company. So whatever I've learned is because of that. And of course, there are two other things. One is my family background, which is very a simple background, which I said to you. And there was second important event which had happened in my life was something called the Savio Club. Those who may be aware in and around Matunga, they know that there was once this Savio Club, which is a unique club, and that has built us my foundation, whatever I am. If you give me hours to talk, I can talk, but I don't think this is the forum to talk that way. But yes, these three things, my family, my company, and my Savio Club have been my formative influencers. And of course, life has been good because my wife and daughter, they are also like-minded thinking people. So that gelled quite well. So here I am, that's how.
Fantastic. But what I learned now from whatever golden words you spoke is something more about you. That is loyalty, sincerity, dedication, commitment. These are some very rare qualities, Sunil, which you get to see in today's date. And this is the reason you are what you are. And I really appreciate that. And I'm so lucky to have you as a friend. And now, not just a friend, I'm finding you as a guide and philosopher also. So thank you so much for each and every priceless word that you are speaking from your mouth, because are they all are make your life so beautiful and good. Thank you, Sunil. Sunil, now that you have forayed into training and you're doing on your own after your stint at Procter and Gamble, we would also like many more people to know you. We want Rotarians, non-Rotarians, everyone to know you. In fact, by knowing a person like you, we want non-Rotarians to get attracted towards Rotary. We want Rotarians to start doing work with you, not just on Rotary front, even on personal front. I want you to speak something about yourself to this audience about your profession.
Well, my profession is basically, like I said, since I started selling on the street, I am into sales, and sales is the only work I have done. And the foundation at PNG gave me an opportunity to do some training because I was also a training manager of the company for about 4 years. So that extended even while I was in PNG, I was doing training. So after 22 years, 23 years, when I had to leave PNG, I decided to start my own. So I have been into training only. So because every time you train, you learn more. So I now do training across industries, across functions, because selling is so easy and simple that, my slogan, what we call as the keyword is, if selling is an art, we make it a science.
Oh, wow.
So I have trained some Rotary groups also, meaning not just for Rotary work, for business work also. So in any industry, if people want to find simple solutions, so I have since started training, I have been into consultancy. So I consult people, help companies grow their business. There are companies which have grown their profitability by 50 times in just 2 years working with me. So that's how I help a lot of companies grow their business. So that's the reason why I have clients which are repeating. I handle clients like Coke, Crompton, Hero Cycles. I can just count the number of companies, but they're good enough in all across industries. I've done it in diamonds. I've done it in travel and tourism. So any industry I've done already. And about Rotary, I think Rotary I joined to give. I thought I would be a giver if I joined Rotary. I thought, it's my time to give. I was 42 when I joined Rotary, and I thought it would be a good time to give back and all. But to be honest, up to now, I've got far more than what I've given. One of the hallmarks has been that, because of Rotary, I could send my daughter Namrata out to France for a year, and that has changed her life for good. She made complete use of this. Had I been a non-Rotarian, I may not even aware of that such a program I could give to my daughter. which I was able to give. And so, and people have been so helpful everywhere. Uh, it just comes away. People are. So I think I've got far more than what I have really given to Rotary. So for people who want to work in Rotary, and they should realize that if they work without being asked, they get far more things. You never have to expect, because it's when you expect and you join Rotary, you feel disappointed. But if you want to give, you get far more than what you expect.
So I agree to every word that you're saying. And yes, friends, we love to give in Rotary because Rotary directly, indirectly blesses us with so many things. And if, for example, I want to do a project for, say, street children, if I want to adopt street children, I'll be able to do it for one or two or three people. But there, if I go and discuss this in my own Rotary club, as soon as I raise my hands that yes, I want to adopt three children, there'll be 30 more hands that will be coming up, and everyone would be saying, I'll do one, I'll do two, I'll do five. And you can see the magnanimity of the project size increases. And when you are doing so much of good, it comes back to you in the form of blessings. And yes, that is much more, much more than what we have given. And more than that, Sunil, what I have been blessed in Rotary is I love to make friends and be friends for a longer period of time. And that was also one of the purposes why I had come to Rotary. And just imagine how without Rotary would you and I had met. And you and I have met because of Rotary. And I don't think so. This is a temporary relationship. This is a relationship where we can we are going to live it for years and years and years to come. So yes, we have to thank Rotary for what they have given us, and we have to use the Rotary platform to give people what they need more. Haribal, apart from that, uh, I would also see you are at a very important position in Rotary for the year 2021. You have a dual position, and very rare is it that we have given anyone a dual position. One, you are a training facilitator. You are responsible for training of uh, Rotarians for the coming year, and you are also the district secretary responsible for clubs. District secretary is a very important position, and to train the entire district also is a very important position. Let us know how your training experience has been till now. What are your plans in future? And is Corona a setback, or you feel no, it is an opportunity and you've been able to do much more? So let us know something about your Rotary plans for the year 2020.
See, first of all, just to clarify, the number of roles or the names of roles don't matter to me. They are just, to me, the role, it doesn't matter what role. But honestly, there is so much to give to Rotary, whether there is Corona or not Corona. Rotary में एक ही बात है, Corona. हिंदी में, it's not that Corona. कुछ तो Corona is what we believe in Rotary. And I believe, just like the training thing, I perhaps was the first one to adapt to technology. Like you said, you remember much before Corona came, as far as training is concerned, I was already doing online training. I had done Facebook live streaming and Facebook training. So I had learned technology and I had already doing it. So as far as training is concerned, it's in fact more effective and impactful to do it online. It saves so much cost and you can do very impactful training, whether in Rotary or outside Rotary. So Rotary we can, so while I may be having a district of my few clubs, I'm actually helping a lot of other clubs and avenues helping in their training. If somebody wants to do training, I can always be of help. Uh, so I don't say no to people who need help in training, especially whether it's in Rotary work or in any other work. And like you talked about the Agarbatti person, if he's hiring and people, and if he wants to be, if they're, they are the vocational team. If they need to be trained, I can train them. That is as far as the training in Rotary and otherwise is concerned. Just like that, COVID has taught us to do different kind of projects. We have to think differently and convert this into an opportunity and do differently. So all my clubs, we have to think of, and there are ways. If you find every problem has a solution. So I believe in that. So we'll find out ways of doing different kinds of programs, projects in our own clubs and in our, not just clubs, but also the district if we can. One thing, yes, everybody has to be safe, protect themselves from COVID and from for that matter anything else. But there should be a lot of ways to doing it.
True, Sunil. So if we are taking good care of ourselves now, we are keeping ourselves fit to do much more work and much bigger work in time to come. So very valid point said that yes, we should take care of yourself. We should take care of ourselves right now. This is the need of the hour. At this point of time, we can be facilitators. We can literally help people carrying out projects, and we can be a support to various others too. Rotary has done tremendous work during COVID-19, and parallelly, we were also doing our trainings. Sunil, you have been a fantastic person, a jewel that we have found, and we have been so happy about every moment that you have spent with us. It has just been so revealing every time we have spoken to you. Thank you so much, Sunil, for your presence here. And we really feel blessed that you have taken out time and come for our show. I hope you have liked it because I have definitely loved having you here.
Yeah, thank you. And I would like to see your interview also.
Sure. When time comes. Thank you so much.
Yeah.